Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Motorsports. Right next to me we have a full frame-off restored 1963 Chevrolet Impala SS. Be sure to like and subscribe below so we can give you more content. Back to this vehicle at hand. I'm sure you're looking at the placard up front. Yes, it is a frame-off restored Chevrolet Impala. What I'm going to do is start off with the front fascia. We have $23,000 in recent receipts and documentation for this rebuild. I'm going to open up the hood right now. Paint is a 9 out of 10 easily. Engine bay is extremely detailed. It has a 283 that has a comp cam XR 256 cam, so it sounds really nice and it idles very well. You've got power steering and everything has been rebuilt in regards to the electronics. Nice brand new battery cables right there, and when you look at the hood, look at how nice it is. All the insulation is proper, so you're going to look up here and see that, and then when you shake the hood, there is no rust. Also, common rust areas will be right here. Look at how nice it is. We're going to walk down the driver's side now, and then I'm going to open up the doors so you can see how nice it really is. Every single thing in this car works. So if you fly in and it's not as described, I will pay for your flight back. So this is a real deal Impala SS. It's got the correct bright work. So when you look down the side of the body, you're going to see this with it's like an etching that they do. Extremely clean. All of your mirrors are excellent. I do see a little bit of pitting on this corner mirror, but that's it in regards to imperfections. Look at how nice the paint is on the roof line, and look at all the glass. It's got that tinted glass. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the door. Look at how nice that handle is, and the rubbers are in the proper positions. And then look at the rubber inlays in here. This has been completely blown apart and put back together. Interior door cards are extremely clean, and you can see your VIN number right there. What we're gonna do in that photo gallery is we're gonna show a picture of the trim tag for you as well, along with underside shots so you can really make a great decision on this car. You're not gonna be able to build it for what we're listing it for. Dash is in excellent condition. GoPro is not included. Has a nice smooth shifting automatic transmission, and all of the interior has been redone. I love folding seats forward like this so you can see how nice it really is. Look at the headliner as well. And you can see that the lights are illuminating, so everything's working as it should. All the bright work outside when I'm looking out here, extremely clean. And when I put the windows up, look at how nice it is. All the gaskets are still beautiful. And your felts are in place. I'm gonna grab the keys so I can open up the trunk. Rear quarter, extremely nice. And also it's riding on a set of Krager wheels and BF Goodrich Advantage tires. So these tires are great for summer. You've got brand new exhaust, and you're gonna see that in the underside gallery. Look at how nice it is when I open up this gas cap. You can see that there's no rust in here, and it was painted properly. Even this, this isn't painted over. You've got dual antennas, which I love. Then you've got your insignia for Impala right here, and SS right there. Rear chrome looks really nice. And my favorite part about this car is the rear end with how the taillights are. So you've got your 3 taillights, Chevrolet fold over, and then a beautiful insignia here as well. I do see minor imperfections, but that's it. Go ahead and open it up. So common areas for rust on these cars would be the trunk deck lid. So you're gonna look up here and look at how nice and smooth it is. That's all metal. All the paint that flows through properly, and they've installed the gaskets proper. When I pull this up, look at how nice it is. You got a spare tire, and the instructions are right there as well, along with your jack. And the chrome, it's perfect. Go ahead and go down the side of this. It's just like the driver's side. Extremely smooth, and the panels fit perfect. So when you run over this, it looks great as well. So there's no imperfections. Gonna open up the driver's side for you. I'm sorry, passenger side. Same thing, all the gaskets look great. You've got your rubbers in the correct place as well. And when you close the door, listen to it. Perfect. Passenger side fender looks just like the driver's side, no imperfections, and it's extremely solid. Let's go ahead and start it up so you can hear it. I don't have to get inside to start this car. Well, I might have to if I can't get the key in, but there we go. Starts right up, no smoke, sounds really, really good. Let's jump in. I've got a guest today, F.A., and my cousin Christian. He's been helping us in the shop. Let's go for a ride. So we're inside the 1963 Impala. What I'm gonna do is start it up again. It starts up like that every time, so it has a single wire alternator. What you have to do is rev it so it'll charge. You've got your Power Glide transmission right here, and there's no jolting when you're putting it into gear. You don't hear any banging. I'm gonna keep it in park. You've got a radio that operates, it's an AM radio. You've got your ashtray right here. Look at how nice it is inside there. It's not spray painted, it's done properly. And then it also has the option for the padded dash, and that's where your speaker is. On the dash right here, we're gonna have a 120-mile-an-hour speedometer. The odometer is showing 38,000 miles, but it has been fully restored, so the title is gonna stay exempt. You've got your fuel gauge right here, and then this would be your, like if you were a fighter pilot, it's gonna tell you if your oil pressure is low, if your generator is not charging, if your engine's hot, or if your engine's cold. So when you start this up in the cold, and it's cold, it's gonna stay lit up in green. You've got your clock right here as well. Extremely clean, so the lighter, look at how nice it is, and this is the correct one. Lights work as they should, so when you turn the lights on, if you step on the bottom right here, brights are turning on, and they do operate as they should. Turn signals also work as well, so when you turn the turn signal, it lights up. Same thing on this side. Let's go ahead and put, oh, I forgot to tell you all about this. $23,000 in receipts. So not only do you get a beautiful car, but you get full documentation. Let me put this back here. Christian, you gonna hold that? So you got your center console right here too. I do see a little bit of paint. This is the original center console. And then you can open it up. There's a carpeted interior, extremely clean. Let's put it in gear and go for a ride. All right, so we're gonna turn right onto Ravenswood Road. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna slow down and then we'll accelerate normally so you can hear it shift through the gears. Right now we have 4 guys in here and there is 0 noise coming from the suspension. I'm just gonna drive normally. It's shifting as it should. It's a firm shift, it's not slipping. We're going right now 35 miles an hour. I'm gonna continue down Ravenswood Road. Look at how nice the headliner is while we're doing that. And then the steering wheel, look at the condition of the steering wheel as well. Extremely clean. So we're going 45 miles per hour. No noises at all from the suspension, as I said before. And look at the bright work too. We're about to go over some bumps right here. Hopefully it's not too windy. They're coming up shortly. You'll see the car move, but no sounds from the suspension. Solid. You've got your air condition right here, so if you're getting hot, just turn this and it shoots some air towards you. Brakes feel good too. So it doesn't have disc brakes up front, but it does have an assist. So when I push these brakes, very easy to deal with. It's stopping, putting my turn signal on, and what I'll do is I'll give it a little bit of gas when we get past this truck over here, so you can actually feel it. You ready? Not bad. It's not the fastest car in the world, but it gets up there. 283, nice and smooth. If you have any questions about this car, please give us a call, 954-363-2261. F.A., what do you think about this car?
It's nice and drives really cool, huh?
Yeah.
It's smooth.
Yep.
And no vibration and any heat in the rear seats. It's nice.
Yep. And then what about you, Christian? Yeah, you're a big kid. How tall are you?
6'2".
And you fit back there and your head's not hitting? That's nice. We ship worldwide. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call us or email us. We'll help you out within 24 hours. Thanks again. Have a great day.